Assalamualaikum guys, how are you today? I hope you are just fine. Nice to see you in this channel Uni for Education. Let's enjoy this video about procedure how to make tom yum soup. First, prepare the ingredients such as lemongrass, lime leaves, and then pak choy, shrimp ball, boiled noodle, tom yum season. Squeeze the lime onto the sliced squid and onto the cleaned shrimps. And then boil water in a pot. And then boil the sliced squid into the boiling water. Boil it for a while. After that, rinse the water. Then put another pot to boil water. Put the lemongrass and lime leaves into the boiling water. Add the shrimp balls into the boiling water. And also the squid balls. After that, put the tom yum season into the boiling water, then mix them. And then put the squid into the pot. Also the shrimps too. And then stir. And then put the pak choy into the mix. Shrimp balls, squid balls, and squids also shrimps. And then stir. Finally, add the mushrooms. Serve the tom yum soup into the bowl and squeeze the lime. Try to make this tom yum soup and enjoy it. Okay guys, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching.